Welcome back to Color Vistas. Glow-in-the-dark HTV brings a whole new level of fun and creativity to sublimation. Whether you're creating standout t-shirts for night events, custom decor, or unique gifts, this technique is sure to impress. In today's video, we're exploring how to achieve vibrant designs on glow-in-the-dark HTV with tips for results. Let's light up your next sublimation project, literally. Sublimation on glow-in-the-dark HTV starts with choosing the right materials. Glow-in-the-dark HTV is a polyester-based vinyl with a smooth surface, designed to absorb sublimation ink while preserving its luminous qualities. This material is perfect for creating designs that look great in both daylight and darkness. To ensure success, select HTV specifically labeled as compatible with sublimation. Once you have the right HTV, think about your design. Glow-in-the-dark vinyl works best with bold, simple patterns or text that stand out against the glowing background. High-contrast designs are particularly effective, as they maximize the visual impact of your sublimation. If you're creating something for nighttime events, consider themes like stars, moons, or geometric shapes. Use software like Photoshop, Canva, or Illustrator to create your artwork. Scale your design to fit the vinyl, and remember to mirror it before printing, especially if it includes text. Print your design onto sublimation paper using sublimation ink. Set your printer to high-resolution mode to ensure crisp, vibrant results. Allow the print to dry completely before handling to avoid smudging. Meanwhile, prepare the glow-in-the-dark HTV by cutting it to the desired shape. If you're planning a multi-layered design, use a cutting machine like Cricut or Silhouette for precision. Weed out the excess vinyl to leave only the area you'll sublimate. Before sublimation, the HTV must be adhered to the fabric. Position the cut vinyl on your shirt or chosen fabric, aligning it carefully. Press the HTV onto the fabric with a heat press set to 300 degrees for about 10-15 seconds. Use medium pressure to ensure the vinyl sticks securely, but avoid overpressing, which can reduce the adhesive's effectiveness. Once the HTV is applied to the fabric, it's time to sublimate. Position your sublimation paper face down on the HTV, aligning the design accurately. Secure the paper with heat-resistant tape to prevent movement during the transfer process. Cover the design with a Teflon sheet or parchment paper to protect your heat press and materials. Set your heat press to 375 degrees to 400 degrees and apply medium pressure for 45 to 60 seconds. These settings allow the sublimation ink to bond with the vinyl's surface while maintaining its glow-in-the-dark properties. Be sure to follow the specific instructions for your vinyl type to avoid overpressing or uneven transfers. After pressing, carefully remove the sublimation paper while the vinyl is still warm but not hot. This step reveals the vibrant design now seamlessly infused into the HTV. Inspect the transfer for clarity and vibrancy, and make adjustments to your settings if needed for future projects. Glow-in-the-dark HTV sublimation is perfect for a wide variety of projects. Custom t-shirts for parties, nighttime events, or team uniforms become unforgettable with the luminous touch of glowing designs. You can also create unique accessories like tote bags, hats, or even home decor items that double as glowing artwork. To care for sublimated glow-in-the-dark HTV products, wash them inside out on a gentle cycle with cold water. Avoid harsh detergents or bleach to preserve the design's vibrancy and the vinyl's glow properties. Line drying is the best option, though low-heat tumble drying is generally safe. For those looking to add even more creativity to their designs, consider combining glow-in-the-dark HTV with other materials. You could layer it with glitter vinyl for an extra sparkle, or pair it with embroidery for a textured effect. The glowing effect also works beautifully when combined with reflective vinyl for designs that shine under both direct light and in the dark. And there you have it, a guide to sublimating on glow-in-the-dark HTV. This technique is a fun, dynamic way to add an extra dimension to your sublimation projects. Whether you're crafting for gifts, events, or personal use, glow-in-the-dark HTV will make your designs stand out day and night. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation tools and helpful resources where applicable. Visit my website for more tips and inspiration. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your glow-in-the-dark creations in the comments. See you in the next video.